If you'd like to see how I embellished this plain little Shorty bottle and turned it into this cute, beautiful, bedazzled bottle, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube, so today in this video, I am going to be embellishing a little Shorty bottle of Absolute Citron. And I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe this bottle all off with some alcohol, with an alcohol pad, just to make sure that there is no debris or dirt or anything on this bottle that's going to come in the way of me laying rhinestones and pearls on it. So this is going to be a cute little stocking stuffer or like a birthday gift for someone. And I'm going to be using a mix that I just created. So I have this little mix jar. Excuse the label, it's ripped a little bit. But I have this mix. I'll have a link to this. And inside of this mix, I have various colors and sizes of pearls and rhinestones. So I do have some gold in there. I have some jelly rhinestones. I also have some clear AB rhinestones and some white pearls. So you'll see, I have quite a bit there. And there will be a link. I'll go ahead and pour those out so you can see that a little bit better. So here you can see the various colors I have of yellows here, and then there's golds, and then there's some white. I think this is so pretty. So this is a 4-ounce jar mix of pearls and rhinestones. All right, so when I look at the bottles and decide where I'm going to embellish it, I like to just kind of see where the labels are. I've been okay so far going on top of the label, but if the label were to ever peel off, then the rhinestones would in fact come off with it. So just think about that as well. But I don't want to just leave this on here. Maybe I could take an X-Acto knife and cut it off right there. I don't particularly have one. I'm trying to let this glue flow to the bottom of this. Okay, so I have my glue in my precision tip bottle. I'm going to be using Liquid Fusion glue. I purchased my glue for about $11. I used to say in previous videos like $8 to $10. It's not. It's like $10 to $12. And the only place I could find this on is Amazon. So this glue is not cheap, but I like it because it doesn't have as harsh of a smell as E6000. So I've heard someone say it's non-toxic. I'm not exactly sure, because it does say that it can cause, it can be an irritant, and it does have a little pinch of a smell, but it's nowhere near E6000, which I've used in the past. So I do like to start at the bottom and like trace out around the label where I'm going to be starting. So I'm just going to start by adding some glue at the bottom of the bottle. And then once I get it going, I'll just go ahead and finish off, and you could just go ahead and see how I embellish the bottle. So I also have this wax pencil tool here, which is going to help me pick up the stones and the pearls. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab and go in no particular order. And I'm just going to be placing the pearls and stones on this cute little Absolute Shorty bottle. My camera went dead, so I did start with one stone, but I don't pick these up in any type of order. And I'm just gonna go ahead, pick them up, and place them on the bottle. Just like so. And you want to just at least make sure everything is nice and close and tight, so you don't have a lot of spacing. See that? And this mix is perfect because it has yellow in it, and of course the bottle has some yellow on it as well. I think these mixes are really fun because you get a nice variety, and then you get the pearls. And most people don't know this, but pearls are a little more expensive than rhinestones. So it's a great buy to have a combination of both. And then you just continue to add. just like so. And what I'm going to do is create my own, let me zoom out some. I'm going to create my own imaginary line here, because I don't want to have all of this showing, and I definitely don't want to have this barcode showing. So just go ahead and keep watching, and I'm going to go ahead and just fill this bottle Here is the final and finished look of this little Absolute Shorty bottle, and I think it is so cute. My daughter said it looks bumpy. The pearls are just everything for me. I love those gold pearls. I love the yellow pearls. I love how the yellow hits with the yellow wording on the bottle. Next time I'll figure out how to get that little, you can see the barcode right there a little bit, but it's not that bad. I love this. This is a cute little stocking stuffer gift for someone. And here is the mix that I used. I will have a link available for this. I think this is just so perfect. And look, I still have so much left over. This is a great buy. This is going to be considered my medium-sized jar of mixed jar. I'll have a small, a medium, and a large, a 2 ounce, a 4 ounce, and a 6 ounce. I'm still getting everything together, but I will have a link for this. And I just thank you guys for watching. Like this video, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, share it on Facebook so someone else can check it out. And also subscribe if that's what you decide you like to do. I appreciate you for watching. Bye-bye.